What's up, guys? Bobby here from Pip Syndicate. I just want to show you guys a trade that we took this morning. Because the reason why I want to go over it is because it's a perfect example of how I trade now. My grid trading strategy. So what we did was I was looking at NAS as soon as I signed on. Okay, we started trading around 9 a.m. And it came right to a nice support here. You can see this is a nice support. So I decided to take a buy. Let me fast forward a little bit. Let me just show you what happened. Okay, you can see I got in right around here. Right, I put the box there. After I entered the trade, I put the box by where I got in. This blue line here was going to be my TP1. Let me make it a little bigger. Right, it was going to be stops to break even. That's like 20-something pips. I put it right on the top of this fair value gap. I figured we might fill that gap. Yeah, that's right about 20 pips. So I was going to take a little profit there and put stops to break even. But what happened was the trade decided to go down. So I announced on the stream that if it came down here, I would take another entry, another buy, because that's how I do it. I go off structure. It's not really grid trading, guys, because grid trading usually use a robot. And it's usually like every 30 pips, every 20 pips, every 50 pips, whatever you set it at, it takes another entry. But that's not how it works. I like to do it based on structure. Or see here, we got another nice zone here, a nice support zone. So I decided if it comes down, I'll take another buy here. So let's play it and see what happened. I'll show you exactly what happened here. Well, needless to say, it decided to come down. Okay, I got in the trade here. I got in the trade right down here. Okay, you can see I put the box right where I got in. This is still the box from this morning. You could go look at the trade if you want live. You'll see what I'm talking about. As soon as I entered, we started going up. I mean, of course, it didn't go straight up, but you know what I mean. So I want to explain what I'm thinking here. Okay, I'm in the second entry. Okay, I'm in drawdown on the first. If I close right now, right here, I'm in profit overall. Okay, because I'm only in drawdown here, probably 10 pips or something, 15 pips. That's 12 pips. Okay. So this whole trade is 71 pips. We'll call it 75 because I like to close a couple of pips into the other trade. Okay, now a lot of people ask me, why do I close there? Why don't I just hold? Okay, I think about it. Sometimes I do hold, but most of the time I close, unless this candle comes flying up here and just breaks through here like bat out of hell. And the reason why I close is because this is a zone here, if you remember. This was a nice support zone. And so now it's a resistance. So we could bounce off here and come back down. If we come back down, I'll take the trade again. I'll take the trade again. So let's see. That was let's go through the trade. Let's see. So you see, we're messing around a little. It actually came all the way down again. And I said on the stream, let me stop it. I said on the stream, okay, if it comes down to here, below here, I'm going to take another entry. Okay, because I had closed already up here. So now you remember when we're here, I just want to make sure you guys understand the way this worked out. So I closed like right around here. So figure 75 pips. Right? So I already have 75 pips in the bank. When probably this candle or this one, I don't remember which one. Probably this one, because it came all the way back down. It was 70 pips, whatever it was. I'm just saying. So I closed right here, let's say. Then it came all the way down. When it was coming down, I said to the group, if it comes below here, I'm going to take another entry, another buy. But it never came down that far. It came down to our original entry. But I figured if it's coming down, it's probably going to come to here, It's probably coming for this liquidity here, but it never did. it just reversed and went back up, and I ended up getting out of this trade a little bit higher than my original TP1. Okay, so I closed like right around here somewhere, like right here. Now, let me see, how many pips is that total? I think it was like 85 pips or something. Let me see. That's 93 pips. We'll call it 85 pips for all intents and purposes. But if you understand what happened here, guys, I ended up getting more pips because the trade went against us than I would have if we just won. Now, I take every trade to win. You know, if you look at that video on my channel that I put up, showing my 96% win rate, I don't lose many trades, man. And I'll tell you the truth, guys, if this would have came down here, I would have took another entry. And I probably would have took another entry here. And I'll take another. I got this line here for a reason I got to check. But I'll take another entry. And what ends up happening, guys, is it'll come up here, whatever it is, 50 pips, say. Then it comes here, let's say 100 pips. Then it comes here, 150 pips. Right? If it comes up here, I'll close here. So this trade will be marked as a win. But this trade will be a loss. You know, even though I'm like 30 pips or 40 pips in drawdown, I'm already up 200 pips. So sometimes I'll just close this if it starts dilly-dallying. And that's where you see that 4% loss. You know, I hardly ever lose a trade on purpose. I could just hold if it goes down and do the same thing again. Just buy. I'll show you, man. Come trade with me live, man. You'll see. You know, but anyway, that was live this morning. Today's February 26th. So if you look for February 26th, you'll see this trade live. We took it live this morning. We trade every day, 9 a.m. Yeah, so come check it out, guys. All right, give me a like and a subscribe. We're killing it on NAS. Sometimes we trade US 30. Sometimes we trade gold. Whatever we see the best setup on. And we're usually out of there, you know, in a half hour sometimes. We're done, man. We're not on all 3 hours here talking a bunch of nonsense about candles. We just get our money and get out. Anyway, guys, thanks, man. Thank you for stopping by, man. Come trade with us live, man. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day on purpose, and God bless you guys, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the live stream. Thanks, guys. Cheers.